spare ribs. I cut them up, I'm gonna salt them on each side. And today I'm cooking them in the skillet, electric skillet, since I got quite a bit. I'm gonna put them all in here. Then I'm gonna put the lid on and steam them, so they won't be tough. Okay, I'm gonna put them in here. Got the grease hot. You can do this in your iron skillet. I just use this one because I'm doing so many. Now I'm turning it down now to low. I put them all in here. I'm going to steam them for like 10 minutes. Okay, I'm going to take this top layer out and then just brown them into the oven. This is a lot of meat. I got some big meat eaters. Okay, I got it on medium heat, and I'm just browning them. They're already getting tender. I'll be taking them out here for long. I'm just flipping them every once in a while. They're getting brown. They'll be done pretty quick. See, they're big. Trying to achieve brown yet soft. Okay, got a few of them done here. Okay, taking a bunch of them are getting brown. It's more a process of just standing here and making sure they don't overcook. I want them brown but still soft. Alright, just whip them every once in a while. I said whip. That's all I want to say about that.